Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add IUD to Flow app. Of course, IUD is the intrauterine device, which is also a contraceptive. Now, for you to add IUD, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flow app, which of course I've done right here. Now, where exactly can you get the Flow app? You can get it on Apple Store or Google Play Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications, look for the search bar, type Flow app, go through the on-screen instructions to download, and after downloading the app successfully, it's going to take you right into the sign-in window where you're going to be asked to either create a new account or to log in using an existing account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the Flow app. So now that we're here, let's learn how to add IUD intrauterine device to Flow app. From this home screen, head over to the top left corner of the screen where you have the avatar icon. Click on the avatar icon and it takes you right into this window. Now you have graphs and reports, cycle and ovulation, settings, access code, reminders, and help. Select reminders. Once you select reminders, it takes you here where you have a couple categories, which include secret chart, you have content, you have cycle, you have medication and contraception, you have add a peer reminder, and you have lifestyle. So head over to the medication and contraception category and you're going to find contraception. So click on contraception. Now in here, you're going to have to toggle this on. Toggle that on and it takes you here. We have a couple more options. Now in the category, which is the first category, it says choose your contraception type. Go ahead and click on the drop down menu right next to oral contraceptive and choose your IUD. So now here you have oral contraceptive, vagina ring, contraceptive patch, contraceptive injection, IUD, and implant. So because we want to add IUD, so click on IUD. And once you click on IUD, now you have string checks. How often do you get your string checks? Do you have no checks? Click on this drop down. Let's say no checks after period or once a year. Choose any of them, let's say after period. So after doing that, you have your reminder time. You can now set your reminder time. After setting your reminder time to when you should check your IUD strings, let's say after just setting your reminder time, then you have the text of reminder. You can set this text of reminder to whatever you want, and then you have reminder for IUD replacement is IUD type. You're gonna have to select your IUD type, either hormonal or copper, and then you have the effective period for how many days, and then you have select the number of years your IUD is affected. You're going to have to select it here. After selecting it from here, that's the IUD insertion. You have to select the date for your IUD insertion, and then the time that enter the date your IUD was inserted, so that the app can, okay, that's for this insertion at this effective period. That's the number of years your IUD is effective. That's this effective period. Select the number of years and then add your IC insertion date, and then reminder time. You fix your reminder time again, and of course your text of reminder. Now after doing that, that's just pretty much it. That's how we can add IUD to Flow app. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.